children?
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you, sit down. Children, what was the home task? Asil, what was the home task? The natural environment. Okay. What is shown in the picture? Okay. Then rabbit. Then what is what is it?
Snake.
Children, let's watch the video about our thing.
English sing. Weather. It's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
Cold.
Cold.
It's cold.
Children, how do you think? What is the theme of our lesson? Amira? Weather. Okay, excellent. Our lesson's theme is weather. Learning objectives. Name the main vocabulary words. Write with the vocabulary words. Then use them in the speech. Оқушылар, бүгінгі сабақтағы мақсатымыз сөздерді дұрыс айту және ауа райына қатысты сөздерді толық білу және оларды өздеріңнің сөйлемдеріңде қосып айту және де оны қатесіз не істеу керек? Айту керек, я? Children, let's learn the new words. Hot, ыстық.
Hot, ыстық.
Cold, суық.
Cold, суық.
Snowy, қарлы.
Snowy, қарлы.
Rainy, жаңбырлы.
Rainy, жаңбырлы.
Sunny, күн шуақты.
Sunny, күн шуақты.
Cloudy, бұлтты.
Cloudy, бұлтты.
Windy, желді.
Windy, желді.
Children, what is the weather? Who wants? After, Aligut.
Windy.
Windy. Then, how's the
Cloudy.
Cloudy, yes, of course. Then, Asir, snowy. What is the weather? Rainy. Okay. Then, the last one, Ayana. Sunny. Of course, excellent. Children, let's play the game with the cake. You should take a piece of cake and say the weather, okay? Okay. Так, the first. Who wants? Sultan, please. It is? What is the weather like?
Sunny.
Sunny, yes. Yes, of course. Good. Good. Thank you. Sit down. Then, Madia, please. Take. What is the weather like?
Windy.
Windy. Yes, of course. Windy. Good for you. Then, who wants the last one? Okay. Choose a piece of it. Cloudy. Yes?
Cloudy.
Cloudy. Okay. Okay. Good. What is it?
Windy.
What is the weather?
Cloudy.
It is?
Snowy.
Okay. It is?
Rainy.
What is shown?
Sunny.
Yes, of course. Good for you. Excellent. Amira, good for you. Asir, good for you. Good for you. Excellent. Excellent. Super. Well done. Children, who wants to work on the board and say the weather? Okay, who wants? Amira. It is
It is
windy.
windy.
Okay. Then I see. It is
Cloudy.
cloudy. Yes. Then Ayana, please.
It's hot.
It is hot. Good for you. Okay. Children, let's work with the worksheets. Okay? You should read and answer the questions. You should read the passage, circle the correct answer, and for each question, okay? Бұл жерде сендер мынаны оқисыңдар, иә, тапсырманы. Сосын осы жердегі 3 сұраққа жауап берулерің керек. Who wants to read? Кім оқысы келеді? Асел, please read.
Rainy day. It is a rainy day. John is sad. She wants to go out and play. John hopes this rain will go away soon.
Okay, Asel, good for you. Not rain, rainy, okay? Okay? Asel, very good. Then questions. What kind of day is it? What kind of day is it? Ayana, it is rainy.
It's rainy day.
Rainy day, yes. Then, how does John feel? Alina, what kind of day is it? What kind of day is it? Ayana, it is rainy.
It's rainy day.
Rainy day, yes. Then, how does John feel? Alina, John feel?
Sad.
Sad, yes. Then, the last one, what does John want to do? I said,
Go out and play.
go out and play. I didn't know to play. I am not play. Okay. What is it?
Rainy.
What is the weather?
Cloudy.
It is?
Snowy.
Okay. It is?
Rainy.
What is showering?
Sunny.
Yes, of course. Good for you. Excellent. Now let's work with activity book, okay? Open the activity book, exercise 3, page 54. You should look and circle the right word, okay? You should look and circle the right word. Қарайсыңдар да, дұрыс сөзді таңдайсыңдар. Жұмыс істейсің. Work. Okay, children, give me the feedback about today's lesson, your emotions. You should hang the apples on the tree. The green apple is good, very good. The yellow apple is good. And the last one, the red apple is bad, okay? Thank you for attention, children. The homework was new words. You should learn the new words about weather. And goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye.